There's everything inside. It's 4, I think they're 8-inch cables. So just the cable, the braided part, let me see. It's about 6 inches. The whole cable is about 8 inches. Okay, perfect size. This is my situation. I currently have this cradle where I put my phones and other charging items, and I'm using these. Let me take one out so I can show you. These are 3-foot cables. They're kind of wire tied. It's kind of messy over here, so I'm looking to neaten that up. So let me take this out, put the other ones in, and show you the before and after. This is a real close-up look of the cable. Let me get a real good close-up look of it. Braided. I like braided more than the thick this. It's just thicker, harder maneuver. I know the braided cable is so much easier, much more flexible, and they look nice. I get them in black and they don't stand out, so you know I like them a lot. So this is again an up close look at the actual cable itself, and it's MFI certified, so it's good. Compared, this one's also MFI certified, but it's 3 feet long. I had to wind them up and wire tie them, or maybe 2 feet long. I forget. They're Insignia cables, and they work just fine. But I'm hoping that these do a better job in organization. I really like this cable. Now let's look at it all plugged in. Now look how much neater and nicer that is. Much smaller space. Look at that. I could even keep them over here. Let me see if it'll bend. Just looks neater. Much nicer. I really like it. It's a really nice cable set for organization for this. I purchased this on Amazon too. I did a video on it already, and now I can charge everything nicely. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Again, 8-inch lightning cables. Oh, it's charging, no issues. As you can see right there, it is charging with no issues whatsoever. Or else I would have sent them back, and I wouldn't have done this video. Alright, so I hope the video helps. I hope you like it. Thank you.